Looker layout and concepts. This video will explain the layout within Looker so you know how to find the features and functions you need to become an informed Looker user and report-making whiz. The Looker interface consists of a field picker sidebar, a filter bar, a visualization bar, and a data bar. Let's take a look at each of these sections within the Looker software in clarity. The field picker contains two types of fields, dimensions and measures. These fields are organized under categories, which you can see here in dark gray. Examples of categories in the HMIS Performance Explorer include clients, enrollments, and agencies. To view the dimensions and measures available in each category, simply click the category name and expand the selection. You will see the dimensions under the Dimensions header and the measures highlighted in orange. To view only dimensions or only measures within a category, select either Dimensions or Measures to narrow the results. Dimensions can be thought of as fields that include characteristics or ways to group data, while measures can be thought of as calculations on those groups or characteristics. For example, if you expand the clients category, you will notice dimensions such as ethnicity, gender, and race. Adding these dimensions to your report will allow you to group your data by the values in those dimensions. Think of the values for dimensions as options you choose for those fields in HMIS. For example, looking at this report in which the race dimension has been added, the values that you would group your data by, listed here, are the same as the options that you could select under the race field within HMIS. In the clients category, scroll down to the measures, and you'll notice that there are an average age and a number of clients calculations. These measures will perform either an average on age or a client count calculation on the dimension you choose. Let's take gender for an example to make this a little bit more clear. Adding the gender dimension to the report will show you the values available within this dimension. And it's important to note that the values that show up here will only be the values of gender that your agency entered into HMIS. So we are missing some gender values that are available in the dropdown, but that is simply because your agency has not entered any data that corresponds to those values. So now, adding the client's number of clients measured to the report will provide a count of all the unduplicated clients within each of the values of gender that your agency has entered data for. For example, your agency has entered data for 44 female clients, 35 male clients, 2 data not collected, and 2 gender non-conforming clients. Now let's go over the other parts of the interface. The filters bar allows you to set limits on the data returned in your report. For example, if you only wanted to see data for female clients, you could include a gender filter in it and set it equal to females. The data bar will be expanded by default when you're working in Looker. This bar will show you all the dimensions and measures that you've added to your report. The visualization bar allows you to specify how you want to communicate your message. For example, you may want your report to be viewed as a column chart, a bar chart, or a table. When you share or send reports, the view will default to the visualization bar. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we will cover how to create your own reports in Looker.